viewers, welcome back to Gowri Ram's Kitchen. Today we're going to see a Gujarati dish, that is thepla. It's made out of wheat flour. You can have it without any side dish. It's going to be very tasty. Now let's see how to make it. First we have to take 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm going to crush 1 green chilli, 3 pieces of small ginger and 4 pieces of garlic. Now let's crush it. Add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, salt to taste, some kasturi methi leaves. We have to crush it and add. Now mix them. Now add fresh yogurt, 2 tablespoons, and add the fresh ginger garlic chili paste. Now add coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Now add water gradually and make it into a dough. Apply oil and rest it for 5 minutes. Now take a rolling board and apply some oil. Now take some of the dough. Let's roll it like a chapati. I made into a thin chapati like this. Now let's fry it. Now take a tawa. After the tawa is heated, let's add the thepla. Now let's add oil. with raita or pickle. It will be very tasty because we have added masalas and also wheat flour is good for health. We have not added any maida or anything. Now our Gujarati thepla is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and also comment below. Thank you.